Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to manage Siri with using your headphones QCY T9S. You have to start by open QCY application. Now go to settings and right here choose the best one click for you. So for me it's one pressing and on the left earbud. So I clicked to the touch to the left one and choose voice assistant. Now if I press one time button on my left earbud, I will turn on Siri. Hi Siri, how are you? And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!